Hello dear friends. Today we are doing present perfect tense. You all know that we are doing these tenses one by one, step by step. So first I would like you all to write down this thought, which is friends are like flowers in the garden of life. Thoughts, they motivate you early in the morning. So please write down this thought. Friends are like flowers in the garden of life. And now we come to our tense, which is present perfect tense. So give the heading present perfect tense. Where do we use present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is used when we have just completed a work or the work which has been completed in recent past but it still has its effect. Okay, and there are certain words from which we come to know that in a particular sentence we will be using present perfect tense. For example, just, already, since Monday, lots of time, in the morning, for, since, etc. There are some words. Now the formula of present perfect tense is subject plus has have plus verb ki third form plus object. Okay, now as we all know that we are using the same examples again and again. So talking about the examples, coming to examples, we have written the first example. He has gone to school. We have gone to school. I have gone to school. She has played football. They have played football. Ram has played football. Sita has played football. Now these are simple sentences which we have made of present perfect tense. But actually there is something missing if we call these sentences of present perfect tense. So there will be words like he has already gone to school, we have just gone to school, we have gone to school, we have played football a lots of time, and they have played football since 10 in the morning. So there will be some words from which we come to know that the particular sentences are of present perfect tense. These are just simple examples we have just put in the formulas in simple sentences. Got it, all of you? Now, where are you going to use present perfect tense? Uses are, now first you must know where we use has and where we use have. I hope all of you know this very well, that has is used with singular subjects like he, she, Ram, Sita, etc. With singular subjects you are using has, and with plural subjects we use have. I is an exceptional case. I though is singular but we use have with I. So I with I and we, they, etc. With plural subjects we will use have. Now where are we going to use these perfect tense? Yes, with an action completed in the recent past that has its effect in the present. है ना, with an action completed in the recent past and has its effect in the present. जो काम अभी पूरा हुआ है थोड़ी देर पहले ही और उसका जो असर है वो अभी तक है. अब जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं वो इसके क्या हैं? आई हैव लर्नड माई लेसन ऑलरेडी, है ना, आपने लेसन लर्न कर चुके हो आप, है ना, ख़त्म हो चुका है वो काम, लेकिन उसका इफेक्ट है ना, अभी भी आपको चैप्टर याद है. और जो वर्ड है वो कौन सा है जिसे हमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के लिए? ऑलरेडी. आई हैव लर्नड माई लेसन ऑलरेडी. इसी का एक और एग्जाम्पल हम ले लेते हैं. बिश्नोइज हैव प्रोटेक्टेड ग्रीन ट्रीज फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो हियर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, from this we are coming to know that this is present perfect tense. Bishnois have protected green trees for a long time. Coming to one more example, he has not attended classes since Monday. He has not attended classes since Monday. So here since Monday, from since Monday we are coming to know that this is present perfect tense. Now again where we use present perfect tense, it is with repeated actions. The actions which we have repeated many times, we will use present perfect tense with them also. For example, we have visited Udaipur lots of times. So here lots of time shows that we have done this repeatedly. So we will use present perfect tense here also. Now we use present perfect tense with since and for. I have studied for 10 hours. I have played since 10 in the morning. So these are the basic uses of present perfect tense where we use present perfect tense. So we use present perfect tense with an action that is completed in recent past and has its effect in the present. We use it with repeated actions. We use it with since and for. I hope the topic is clear. Please note it down. Have a nice day, all of you.